Hi, Scott the Astro Manager here in the next installation of the email management course. So now we're going to look at some emails. These are made up emails, but they're similar to ones that I've received or sent, and each one has some problems, so we're going to look at them and see if we can identify and then fix the problems. So here's the first one from me to Sam Cook. Subject is hiring. Hi Sam, now that we've finished our interviews for the first position, we need to start going through the candidates for the second position and build a short list of applicants. I've gone through the application material and blah 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 blah, another paragraph of blah blah blah, yada yada yada. Third paragraph, some more. I think we need to have a short conversation. Oh, finally, key here. Can you send me a possible list of questions that would be hard to answer based on our textbook knowledge alone that really requires some actual hands-on experience to give a good answer to? And notice there's a typo in that sentence as well. Okay, how can we improve this email? This is a dramatic pause for you to pause the video and answer the question or just think about it. First thing, subject, hiring, right? That is a subject, but it's not the executive summary, it's not the headline. What's the executive summary? I'm asking for a list of possible questions. Let's put that in the subject. Subject, can you send me some questions for the project manager interview? Okay, that would be all right. Can you send me some experience-based questions for the project manager interview? Might be a little bit better. Okay, what else is wrong? So we got to, in the end, after 3 paragraphs, you finally get to the request. That request should be up front. Let's put that last sentence in the front and go ahead and repeat the rest if you want to. That's fine. Let's see, maybe there's a document here already. Maybe there's a short list that we're looking at. Maybe there's a list of questions already. If so, I should provide that reference here. Okay, I think that's enough for this email. Let's look at this next one. From Scott to Doris Troy. Subject, meeting. Hi Doris, can you make it to the meeting tomorrow? Thanks, Scott. Dramatic pause. Okay, subject, right, meeting. Why not put that, are you coming to the meeting tomorrow, in the subject? Leave the body the same or delete the body. Are you coming to tomorrow's meeting? EOM. Boom, you're done. You got a response, yes or no. Anything else? I think that's probably about it for this one. You might want to add in the subject if this is an invitation. She can say yes or no, and I'm not, I don't care either way. If I do care, then I might want to say something in the body that I'm expecting you to attend tomorrow and present this, and maybe I have a link to the agenda or to the document that I'm expecting her to prepare, whatever the case may be. Okay, next, this is from me also to Doris, subject document. Hi Doris, just a reminder that I need those edits on our meeting document by the end of the day. Thanks, Scott. Pause, okay, subject line again. Document edits due by end of day. Might be a good subject. Or if I can describe the document, whatever the document is. Interview questions, need your edits by the end of today. That can go in the subject. Could be EOM. But I also want to give the link to the document here, right? Hopefully if it's an online document, provide the link. You want to make it easier for people to respond. Put that link right here. I'm assuming she understands what edits and what document I'm talking about. Maybe it's obvious, but maybe not. Maybe she's in a number of projects just like I am. And so I might want to specify a little bit more what edits I'm expecting. Right. And the links would certainly help with that. Okay, and the last one here, this was going out to Doris and Sam from me. Hi Doris, Sam, can you send me the subject document? Can you send me the revised forecast for Q3 by end of business tomorrow? All right, subject line, yep, same thing. Document, instead, I need the revised for Q3 forecast end of business. Something like that. Hi Doris and Sam, can you send me? Who's you? Right, to Doris and Sam. Remember, Doris is going to think Sam's do it, Sam's going to think Doris is going to do it, neither one's going to do it. So pick one if you can. Hey Sam, can you send CC Doris? Doris, CC Sam. Or can one of you send, please let me know which one. Right? Now if you do that, that's going to start another trail of emails. Someone has to respond. If they don't respond, you've got to watch your emails to see, do they have a response? And if they don't, you've got to then ping them again. That works, but again, there's more work there. So it's cleaner if you can actually specify which one you're requesting to do, CC the other if you need to, or not at all. But so just, be really careful when you want one person out of a bunch to do something. That's probably going to need more emails and more likely that it falls through the cracks. Other than that, I think we're good. So thanks very much. I hope this was useful and hope you see me next time. Bye-bye.